Okay, boys and girls, we're going to work on some long A words. So we're going to spell it and read it. And I need your help. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Now you read the word. Snake. A-I-M, aim. Aim has A-I for the long A. Now you read the word. Aim. T-A-P-E, tape. Tape has a long A with A blank E. Now you read the word. Tape. P-A-L-E, pale. Pale has a long A spelled A consonant E. Pale. Now you read the word. Pale. W-A-I-T, wait. The long A is spelled A-I in the word wait. Now you read the word. Wait. T-R-A-I-L, trail. A-I is the long A spelling in the word trail. Now you read the word. Trail. R-A-I-N, rain. A-I is the long spelling in the word rain. Now you read the word. Rain. W-A-V-E, wave. A consonant E is the long A spelling in the word wave. Now you read the word. Wave. T-R-A-I-L-E-R, trailer. The long A is spelled A-I. Now you read the word. I didn't hear you. Read the word. Trailer. S-N-A-K-E-S-K-I-N, snakeskin. Snakeskin is a compound word, two words put together. The long A is spelled A consonant E. Snakeskin. Now you read the word. Snakeskin. Now, boys and girls, you're going to complete the long A spelled A blank E and A-I blank, which is page number 77. And you are going to sort the words in our word list. If your long A is spelled with A consonant E, it will be written beside the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. If the long A is spelled with A-I, you will write it beside the numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. And because there isn't a line underneath for the challenge words, you will just write them below the numbers 4 and 8. Your words are, again, these are the words we just blended: snake, aim, tape, pale, wait, trail, rain, wave, trailer, and snakeskin. Be sure you use your best handwriting and pay attention to what you're doing. Long A spelled A-E is on this side. Long A spelled A-I is on this side.